Entrance of the house, dining table with chair, beautiful painting, drawer, side table lamps, sofa with center table, luxurious sofa, TV with TV cabinet, very beautiful furniture, carpet is also there, TV is curved TV, beautiful paintings, lot of natural light you can see in the window. This drawing room has a front balcony also. This is another view of the drawing room. Now we are going towards balcony. This is the balcony. Plants are lying here. It need to be cleaned. You will get it in perfect condition. Very big balcony. This is another view of the drawing room, drawing and dining. Very beautiful furniture. This house is owner free. Actually owner was staying in this house, so that's why the furniture is very beautiful. They were using it themselves, and all the decorum is been done by the owner themselves. Now we are going towards first bedroom. This is the first bedroom. AC, windows for the natural light, TV with TV cabinet. This is the bed with mattresses. Bed is also box bed. Room need to be cleaned. It recently get vacated, so that's why this is bit messy at the moment, but will be cleaned before giving it to you. Very spacious room, has lot of natural light and lot of storage space. This is the cupboard in the first bedroom, lot of storage space. Side lamps are also there in the bedroom, and then one chair is also there. Now we are going towards first bedroom, bathroom. This is the bathroom of the first bedroom. Well maintained and beautiful. geyser, shower area. It is also been separated by curtains. Another view of the first bedroom. Now we are going towards second bedroom. Crossing through the drawing dining. This is second bedroom. AC, window and chair here also. Bed with mattresses. Box bed, side table, paintings and lights are fancy lights are also there. Storage space in the second bedroom. This is the mirror in the second bedroom, and this is the cabinet. You can use it for the multi-purpose to keep your books or maybe other decorum item. Carpet in the second bedroom. Second bedroom, bathroom, exhaust fan in the bathroom. Need to be cleaned. Geyser, fan. Some repairing is required in this bathroom, will be done. Shower area. Again it is being separated from the by the curtain. Another view of the second bedroom. Lot of storage space here. This is the window in the second bedroom. This curtain. Behind the curtain there is a window. And this also has a attached balcony, back door balcony. Lot of natural light here. This house is very close to the metro station. Metro station is around 3-4 minute walk. This is the back door balcony. bit dirty at the moment, but will be cleaned before giving it to you. Washing area. Back balcony is also fully secured, grilled by iron rod. Cleaning will be done before giving it to you. So now we are going towards third bedroom. Crossing through the drawing and dining. This is the third bedroom. Third bedroom, very spacious bedroom. It has lot of natural light, and you can see very spacious room, double bed with mattresses, side table, side lamps. It has a front balcony also. You have a lot of space in this bedroom also, very spacious. Attached bathroom, and the house is east facing, so you get a lot of natural light. Also it is very close to the ring road also. Ring road is around maybe 3-4 minute walk from here. This is the curtain. This is the front balcony with the third bedroom, and you have a lot of natural light here also. Balcony will be cleaned before giving it to you. You can see this has lot of space. This is the cupboard here. Storage space in the third bedroom. And this is the attached washroom with the third bedroom. Exhaust fan. Fan, geyser is also there. Shower area. Another view of the third bedroom. Beautiful painting here. Texture paint in this bedroom. And beautiful lightings. Now we are going towards kitchen. This house has two fridge, two double door fridge. This is the first fridge which is in the hall, and there is one more fridge in the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Kitchen has gas pipeline, toaster, microwave, RO. Thank you, and please call us to visit it or other details.